Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade New England clam chowder. Start by cleaning clams and chopping onions, celery, and potatoes. Heat butter in a heavy pot, cook aromatics until translucent, then add flour to form a light roux. Gradually stir in clam juice and milk or cream, simmer until potatoes are tender, then fold in clams and season to taste with salt, pepper, and fresh herbs. Begin by sautéing onions and celery in butter over medium heat until soft, then sprinkle in flour and stir to make a thin roux. Slowly whisk in clam juice and milk to avoid lumps, then add diced potatoes and bring to a gentle simmer. Cook until potatoes are fork tender, fold in chopped clams, warm through briefly, and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon if desired for brightness. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth because it clears financial fog just like a good chowder clears the rain in your bones, and it might change how you budget for kitchen gear or dinner nights. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Add the clams at the final minutes so they stay tender and avoid overcooking, and finish with a splash of cream if you want a richer chowder. Taste and correct salt and pepper, and fold in chopped parsley for freshness. Serve the chowder steaming in warmed bowls with oyster crackers or toasted sourdough on the side for contrast, and mention storing leftovers in the fridge for up to 3 days for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.